Hey you guys, so today's trip is to the 99-cent store. Just gonna look through their like decor stuff and see what's new. So I see these home signs and they come in gray or white. Those are cute. I showed these calendars before, the wood block calendars for $2.99, and they also have it in the mermaid. Those are cute. You got that gold glittery clock for $4.99. More of the sequin pictures. Here's some metal wall hooks in pink. And I do believe they have blue too. Yeah, there's a blue one back there. I don't want to knock anything down. That picture right there has a hole in the top. You can put the corks in there after you drink wine. And then they have these right here. That looks like it's metal. That's cute. Home sweet home. And you have these up here, the candle holder sets for $5.99. Oh, what is this? Look at that. Cute little gel cling. That's cute. Sleeping. Am I late? They got different ones. Over here they got these cute things. Friends are the sunshine of life. These are $2.99. They got the cactus again. LED neon light, $4.99. And they got all these down here. Flamingo tunnel light up. That's cute. It says Girl Boss. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. And then you got some candle holders. Here's a letter board, but it doesn't have the lines like the other one, so I'm not sure. I don't know, but it's $2.99. More pictures and stuff down here. What is this? Oh, like a little organizer. That is $4.99. I like the little design on the front of that. You got some LED candles back here for $4.99. This cute little metal lantern set. And I like that. The candle holder set. Dream big, sparkle more, shine bright. Oh, they still have the standing mirrors right here. They have a leg in the back for you to stand it up, and those are $14.99. That's a cute little wall hook with the arrow and it says home. That's $2.99. They still have these that say home. Oh look, they got the spin mop for $9.99. They still have the Pip slow cookers. Last time they had the air fryers. They got the coffee maker. Oh, look at these lanterns. These are $5.99. That one says family is a little world created by love. And then you got some that says friends. Little LED lights. Those are pretty. Oh, those are really pretty, like lanterns. Look at that. I like this color. And it has the stand down in there for you to put the candle on. These are $2.99. They also have a 2-pack LED bottle lights for $4.99. I thought this picture was so cute. Look at that. Life is fragile. Handle with prayer. And it has the little pom-pom balls on it. And that's $3.99. I think that's really cute. And then down here, they got this mirror right here for $6.99. That's really nice. They got all kinds of mirrors. And that one. It's a set of 3. Decorative wall shelf. That's $5.99. I like that kitchen chalkboard for $4.99. Oh, they still have these. I bought a set of these. These are $2.99. It's a salt and pepper shaker. Oh, these spoon rests are cute. These are 99¢, and they got all different colors. And I really like these bowls like this. I have a set of them. I use them for like chili and soup and stuff like that, but they got different colors. But I like this one, sparkled. Oh, here's another air fryer. They still have them for $29.99. And I like this large collapsible colander, and I have one that I've been using from 99¢ store. I don't need to replace it, but this one is nice too. It has a little bowl and it collapses, and then the ends pop out like that. And they have it in, I see green and blue, and those are, did I say $4.99? Here's a shoe rack for $3.99 and a TV stand for $12.99. Oh, the snackies are back. I don't know, these come out every year between 99¢ store and the Dollar Tree. These usually pop up, and when they go in the Dollar Tree, they sell super fast. And it's just the cup that has the top where you can pop it open and put snacks in there. So this is always a good find. They're $1.99 here, but of course they're only $1 when they pop up in the Dollar Tree. They still have lots of the Marilyn Monroe journals. This one is $1.99, and this one. Oh, this is cute. It has water in it. I have one like this. I think it has a, yeah, it has a pineapple, but I like the colors on this ice cream. And then they also have this one right here. Oh, that one felt kind of oily, but make waves. Oh, that's not bad. A collapsible car trunk organizer to organize, like if you want to go get a couple things from the store, and it helps to organize. And it also includes this additional storage right here. That's $5.99. Okay, so this location has the rainbow knives. I purchased a set a few weeks ago, and they work really good. I actually love mine, and these are $2.99. Look at this picture frame. I thought that was kind of interesting. You can put your pictures in there, and then in the middle it's a message board, so you can write, and it says LED whiteboard. That's kind of cool. It's $7.99. Oh, look at these scarf keychains by Studio 74. These are pretty. And here's some more keychains over here. These are so cute. Look at that. You got him. You have, what is she? She looks like a deer. I'm not too sure. Let's see what else I see. The rest are just plain. So the only two animals I see is that one besides this mermaid. But these are cute. That mermaid, and then, yeah, that's all I see. This one. Oh, there's a unicorn too. The only new makeup I see is these Maybelline color contour lip palettes. That's the only color set that I see besides this, which is broke. The L'Oreal Infallible Paints. And then I see these Glam Nudes by Glam and Beauty. I've never heard of that. And that's the only combination of colors I see, but it looks really nice. Castrel brushes over here. You have a full set for $5.99, and then they have these. Tartan twine. And then they have some satin pillowcases. Okay, I was on my way out, and then I saw this, and I've never even knew that they had garlic sea salt. So, and it's in a grinder, so I'm definitely gonna get this. And they also have chili and garlic and the Himalayan pink salt, but I haven't seen these combinations before. So I think I'm gonna get this one, the garlic and the chili and garlic, because I love garlic. And then right here they have some sparkling lemonade, and have pink lemonade and regular lemonade, and you get 6 in a can for 99¢. And then I just found these as well, and I put them in my basket. It's Kool-Aid sparklers. There's 6 cans, cherry, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm on my way out. The only thing I really got was some of the lemonade sparklers, Country Time, the Kool-Aid sparklers, cherry. I did pick up one of these cups for Pooh Bear. Both of the gourmet chili and garlic, and what was the other one? Sea salt and garlic. I needed that while I was walking because I started coughing. My throat is bothering me. And then I did pick up a couple of these little keychains. That one. This one. This one doesn't have a face, but I thought it was really pretty. And then I got a couple of these, the scarf keychains. And that is it for today's haul in the 99-cent store. So I'm gonna get out of here. This was just a quick stop. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.